Hello, welcome to this tutorial. This tutorial teaches you how to create the two-layer PCB. In this wall project, we are going to do with the STK459 IC's PCB we're going to create. Okay, the first one, if you want to create the PCB, the first we have to do done to complete the schematic. Complete the schematic. Yeah, then creating footprints for each component, footprints or line pattern for each components, and third one is layout. Okay, here is an audio project. It's based on 2-channel 50-watt system which have the dual supplies plus or minus 21 or plus or minus 90 voltage. Here is the electrical load resistance 8 ohm. When you give the 8 ohm, it will produce 50 watts. When you add 4 ohm, it will produce 20 watts. Okay, here all the characteristics shown here. Okay, first we have the first step is to create the schematic of their electrical connection. Schematic is just nothing to connect all the components together. This picture is just like a schematic, but it's downloaded from the data sheet. So and the same thing we're going to write in the software of OrCAD capture lite CIS. Okay, this is going to do with. Okay, let's start with it. Yeah, here we're going to start and select the cadence relay 70.2, then the capture CIS lite version. Okay, yeah, when we open up the windows, it shows like this. You should have to select the create new document and add its name, or the I'm doing with the project PRJ underscore STK459. Yeah, it's a schematic project. I predefined, this is my locations. I previously done it. Just going to okay. Yeah, so yeah, this is the workspace we're going to do with the schematic. Now we need to introduce these tools. Okay, I will teach you everything by all the experiences we're doing. Now we need the components. We need to select the components. Lots of electronic components are connected together. Yeah, here it's a capacitor, is a polarized capacitor, polarized capacitor. Here we can see that non-polarized capacitor. Here is resistors. Here is a LC circuit, and this is in speakers. Okay, the two other things are, you can notice here. This one is a VCC. Okay, you should see this is a VCC, is a power supply, power input 1. Yeah, another one is, you see this is a minus VCC, is a power input 2. Okay, it's required plus 15 voltage and also the minus 15 voltage. Okay, the both in STK 459. Here you can see the in one. This is come from our microphone or audio input taken from here. This is another audio in 2. Okay, first of all we need to redraw these things in this Cadence Allegro software. Okay, so in its package, okay, so you can see this STK459. This package cannot be shown in this their default footprint, their default packages. So we need to create this. So take a look to create that one. Yeah, so click here the project files, then expand our project details, schematics here, then page 1. Then you can see this is a library here. Then file, you check into the file, new library. Yes, you can see this is a library one file is open. Then you can then you can expand, you can click the library tree.b, then right click, create new part. Then you write the name of your component, that is STK459. Yeah, it's a footprint. Okay, if you have the pre-designed the footprint, add its name, or otherwise we can come in later. I'm doing come in later. Actually the two types of components is available. One is for homogeneous, second one is the heterogeneous schematic. Yeah, heterogeneous means, homogeneous means there is a passive discrete component. It's like a resistor, it's a single part. It's like a diode and an inductor and capacitor. These are, and some ICs like which one we have says that that is ICs like input, output. Yeah, these are the ICs. We can see this is okay. This is are the homogeneous, which means that it has input and output and some specific options. Its own specific is an individual part. But the heterogeneous, it is the same product, the same package, along with shown the specific items inside. For example, it has two channels, one channel is here and other one channel. We can draw in a single IC here. This is a single IC. This is 1 to 16 pin ICs here. Yeah, a single pin IC. So its channels and its parameters shown separately by here. So the first pin, third pin, 2 pin, 4th pin, 5th pin, 7th pin, 6th pin, 9th pin, and other part pins is shown here, 10th pin, 11th pin, 12th pin, 13, and so on. So we're going to create two part of a one IC, that's called the heterogeneous. Yeah, it's all integrated into one circuit, by its part should be exposed, the part to be shown like differently, or this will have to use if our system some specific part you will expose, you will show in some specific part by nearly by created. So you can easily to understand when you connect the systems, or okay, we can just have to many options are there for when we have to making the digital circuits or the buffers. If all the packages alongs with the hex buffer, some is 6 buffers are in a one package. So we shown this all individually, that is called heterogeneous schematic diagram, heterogeneous pin, heterogeneous part. Yeah, so we can do that, right? The footprint will take a look in another time. Yo, this is a parts per package. It's very important. The how many parts, the one unit is parted into two here, one channel, second channel. Select the heterogeneous and okay. Yeah, so then it comes with this window. This is a designator. This should be the designator. This is should be the value. Yeah, so the inside the square we need to create the footprint. Yeah, first we do with the first part of the IC. Yeah, this side we going to we going to draw first. So first we have to select the pins 1, 3. The 2 pins are here, one is for output, and 3 pins are here and 3 pins are here. Yo, we going to do it. Add pin, one option is here. The place pin. This is what we start with the footprints. Okay, So when we click this, it will show one window. The two things, the two varieties of function we have to do by this place pin. I'm doing firstly place all the pins, and other parameter or attributes is be done later or we correct it later. So that way I'm using to draw this schematic. Yeah. So first time do with 1 and the number is 1. Yeah. The 2 pins are come here and 3 pins are on top. 3 pins are on top and 3 pins are bottom and 1 pins are output. Yeah, this is a then we expand the space. Now we can arrange it like this. Okay, 3 pins is here, comes here, then also 3 pins comes here. Yeah, this is 1 pin is not required. Pin is not required from this output. Okay, so we need to draw an amplifier symbol. Here we can see that place line. Click it and draw a line here, then here, here. Yeah, done it. Then another one required. We need to connect these lines connect to that amplifier. So it's required the turn off this snap to grid portion. If it's turn off, it could not catch the grid points. So we can everywhere we can to draw. For example, like we clicked here, then draw to stop here. We click here and stop here. If this is not turned on, the path should be catching on every grid points only. That is why when we have to draw the smooth drawings, we can use the snap to grid, turn off the snap to grid here. So we draw like this, like this, like this. Yeah, completed. Then we need to arrange this designator on here. Okay, and the value we added that STK459 STK459 IC. Yeah, this value we added, that will be rearranged. Okay, now we can do with these pins are I think a little bit too lengthy. We need to make this should be shorter. Yeah, and also we need to arrange these pins are correct according with this schematics. Yeah, so take a look here. This is a first pin. This is a first pin. Yeah, this one is a input one. So we can the property going to change into the input. First one is the name we change into in1, and the property is first number is for passive we change into the input. Line we like to change as a short. Yeah, though the length will be shorter. Then the naming are going inside this drawing. The next pin is third pin. It's a grounded pin. It's a ground. Yeah. So we choose this pin as name as ground, change to the ground, and the number is changed to 3. If the number should be right, name whatever if you have to like mention any kind of names in a professional manner or your scheme as per the required the schematic, you can do anything. Then the number should be exactly that correct. Then the shape is changed to the short, and it's also passive. Passive means any lines. 3 states is tri-state one, bidirectional, come here and go out. Input is just input, open collector, and different kinds of type pin types are available. We can mention it from schematic also. Yeah, the second one is called the ground are here. Then other pins are we going to do with the 2, 4, 5. Yeah, this is one is 2. I'm just naming and numbering both same 2 into short. Yeah. Then next one is 4. It's changed its name and number is 4, and the length is short. Okay. Then the next one is what is 5. Yeah, we're going to name and the number are same. We don't know what is it, which pin is this, or so we can mention that we okay, something. Okay, then next one is going to output is 7, so we added this name as output as output 1 because the 2 outputs are available, 2 inputs are available, and the 2 power supplies are available. The outputs is 7. Yeah, because the 2 lengthy taxes are there, we should have to change into O1. Okay, right. Then 5th, 6th, then the next corresponding pins are 6, 9, 8. Here is 6 and sorry. Okay, what's happening here? I don't know. Okay, 6 here. Then it's a 9. You take a look. These are the 9th pins are connected as a VCC. So this is called as VCC. So 9th pin is VCC. So we can draw the same thing and change its name as VCC, and the number is it's a short one. Oops, we didn't change its length is short. Yeah. Then last one is what it is, I couldn't understand it. Oh yeah, 8th one we don't know which pin is, so we name and number both are changes to 8 and short. Okay. Then finally we're going to arrange these pin names. Okay, it's very rotated by the control, sorry, this is rotated by the letter R. You can change, it's like the text is, sorry, okay, it's okay, that's okay. Yeah. Okay. Change this name 6 good here. Then out 1 good here. 5 both here. Okay. VCC just a little bit here. Yeah, this is the first part, A part of our STK 459. We just completed first part. Then we can see here this is a view button, then the package. We can see the second part also. Yeah, this is a completed first part, and you can creating the second part also. When double click this one, when reaching here. So in the second part, we no need to directly creating the pins like this. We need to select all and copy and design view. Okay, no, just to copy it into the clipboard. Okay, then press the control and the new, sorry, press the control and N when this it will open up. The second part will open up. Then click here, then control V, paste the previous we copied and then connect it. Okay. Then the same thing is again come here. Okay, Then we need the shape. This part is okay. This part is completely done. Package is done. The second part, we need to complete these things: 10th pin, 11th pin, 12th pin, 13, 14, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so we one outputs here, 3 here, and 2 here. 2, 3, 1, 1. Yeah. So we change change its first we need to rotate this simple, expand the outside, rotate is simple, graphic properties is open, graphic editing options are okay. When it checking here, okay, when we have to how to choose this one, how to select these 3 lines using by the control symbol. When the control button, if you press the control and click every line, it will be selected. Then R is rotated. Yeah, so we need to this nice view will need to require. Okay, then one output is here, one output here. Then in top side only one is existing, others are deleted. And outside 3 are existing, 3 pins are here and 2 pins are right here. So one more pin we need to add. Just naming a random numbering at place here. Yeah. Okay. Then we arrange its names also. We delete this one, this one, and this small. You can expand it. There's a small one. You can delete this small thing. Okay. Then arrange it here. Okay. So we can correct its right pin number. Its output is 10. The out 2. This is called out 2. Sorry, O2 is 10. Mentioned that 10. Right. O2. Then 11th pin is 11th pin. It's 11th pin. 11th pin short input. Okay. The next one is 11th pin here. The next one is 6th and 14th. The 6th is 16th is input and 14th is a ground. 16th is a into okay, into is a 16 and 12 is ground. 12 is ground is 12. Yeah. Right. Then few other pins are left. 12, 13, 15. That too. So 12. Don't know which pins are there. Just passive and short. 12, 13, and 15. This is 13. This is 13 and 13 and 15. Okay. Then we draw a nice picture inside. So we start to put this off. Then expand here and delete inside connections. Then place that the lines are in the same way. Snap to put this off. Connect to the line. Then line it. Okay. Yeah, done. It's done actually. Then we need to arrange these names. Or to here, 12 spins here, 30 spins, 30 spins here, 12 spins is here, 15 pins is here, then ground is two nicely placed lens is here, or two can rotate. Yeah. No need to rotate it. Nice. Just snap it off and place all tools in the same place. Yeah. Okay. Now we complete the second part of this heterogeneous pieces, heterogeneous footprint. Let's check it's correctly or not. Yeah, 16, 14, 16. Oh yeah, one mistake is here. It's a 14. The ground is 14, so we change that into the 14. The cross checking is very useful when we checking again. It will find the mistakes as 15th pin and 13th pin, 12th pin, 10th pin, 11th pin. Okay. This side is okay. Okay. When we see this view package, here is the complete heterogeneous package. Take a look to see. Okay. It's beautifully have completed here. Then it's save and choose a location. I'm naming it STK. The already one have, I'm going to delete it. I see, yeah. Okay, I'm naming it STK 459. 459. Then and save. This one is already previously mentioned, the audio project library. Inside, I'm going to save it. Save. Okay. Then we close here. Okay. Now we nicely see STK 459 is here. When double click, that will show to open pop up. Okay. Then page 1 is our workspace. Add component. The place part. The P. And you're pressing the P, you can see everything is this. Then we type STK 459. It is nicely shown into library here. And double click here, or we can choose this here. It will come up. Oh, it already comes here. Okay. Yeah. The first part is placed. Yeah. Then. If you want to see the more part, the second part, when drag, control and drag, its B's came up. Or otherwise you choose this one here and here. Here and here. The both are we can placed. So we require one only, then other one related. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. We are going to prepare the heterogeneous PCB, heterogeneous footprints of a component. Thank you very much to watch this. Thank you.